because I'm recording. Uh, yeah, I'm just using this so I can help you get it. What the? Why is everything like this? Okay, I'm just gonna make it like this. It's good enough. It's okay. Um, there we go. Okay, hey guys. Hi guys. My name is Lemon. I don't know what name am I on YouTube, but I was supposed to make a video of getting the KVM 59, but since I've already made it, well, I mean, I'm useless. Oh, what's me? Alright then, screw that. Let's continue. Okay, there. So, guys, we're.
I'm sorry for blacking out like that. It's just,
Shut up and
okay. One thing at a time. We should make this place safer.
Barricade all windows, reinforce the doors. They won't hold forever, but the hotel will be easier to defend with fewer choke points to cover.
What do we need? Planks and shit?
Planks and shit.
How about skis?
Skis.
That's one thing you don't need to ration around here.
You're right. Let's use skis actually. That's actually good. But I'm not doing that right now. So guys, I'm gonna teach you how to get. I'm gonna teach you how to get this item right here. There's two ways to get it. One that you don't need the DLC, which I have no idea how to get it though. It's somewhere around here. Yeah. I'll send you a link I'll send you a link to where you can find the KVM and stuff like that in the video. KVM 59, but there's the KVM 40. The what we're talking about, the KVM 89 squad thingy. You can probably see that I already have this, and then this is what you're gonna get for free. Right, you don't have to kill. I mean, you can get this for free, but you can get this from. What's it called again? You can get this from killing. I mean, you can. I got this from killing one of the tanks, something like that. Oh, I'm almost there. But yeah, you can get that. I got this from killing the tank. But the one crown. If you want to get the one crown, the only way to get the one crown is, which is the easiest way, which you don't have to kill, and will take a lot of time. Well, you have to get it. You have to finish the mission called. You have to finish the mission called. You have to start with not alone, and then for sick, and then make some noise, and then army race. You ask her about the police station, stuff like that. Then just follow it, and then when you unlock the door, you go to find. You can find it. That place is very small, so it's very easy to find. I was too lazy, so I just followed the video I found. But there's no video for the other one. So the arms race, just find the room, and it gives you the KVM. Oh, what's this for? But and then after arms race, you have the weight, and after arms race, you have to finish nothing but snow, fighting the cold, and then Hellmouth. When you get the Hellmouth, you're able to find the. There's a place you have to go here. Yeah, right there, the FOA war bunker. You have to track that. Don't track that. There's no way you can track that. You can't explore that. Just follow the mission. Just place a marker right in this dumb place. You think it's no place. If you get there, it's actually big. Not that big. Yeah, how big is this though? I've never been to this place. You know what, let's not go there. Let's stick with the topic we're here about. KVM. The KVM 89 squad. Right here. Okay. let's just keep running. I can't tell you how to run. I can't edit the video. Oh, maybe I can edit the video to skip it to where we're supposed to go. Actually, when you get there, but you need the mission. If you don't understand why you need the mission, it's because the hell. Wait, the screenshot is right here. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Don't do it. What the hell? Where are you? Now that's done, let's continue doing our mission. Yeah, to make a video about how to get this KVM-89 squad automatic weapon. No, I can probably tell that everyone wants this machine gun. I can already probably tell that everyone wants to get this weapon, which no one knows how to get actually, because it's not in YouTube. But there's a way to get it though. You have to, there's only a way to where you can find it, the location. You have to search it on Google. You can search it in Google. It says like a link that here's the sponsors of the weapon locations. Here you go, mother. Yeah, stuff like that, and then shows you where the items will be, and you can get the thing down there. I mean you can, and then so I don't know what I'm talking about. Let's just continue. So this is the place where you wanna be. This is the place where you wanna be. So let's just jump down there. There is a big robot here that had the key card. It won't spawn if you don't do the mission. This one spawns, but I don't know why these are still here. Let's not even talk about it. And I also got this weapon from. I killed one of them right here, and it dropped me this. What's this? Not that. Not this. Not this. So it dropped me like. Oh, what weapon? No, not that. I think one of them dropped me a weapon here. I think so. Or maybe this is what they drop. Actually, no, this is not what they drop. This is what they drop actually, yeah. KVM-59 machine gun. Yeah, it dropped me the, not this dog, I think. The body was right here. I got like, and but he wasn't standing right here. It was a dog standing right there. But he came to me. He died already. Inside it was like the KVM, but and then it had the thing. So when you get the key card, just open this. Bear goof. Well, let's talk about it. Open this. And then bada bing, bada boom. Walk in. Turn on the flashlight. And when you open this door, here's the FOA4. Then when you look to your right, see this door? Oh yeah, let's just ignore that. No! Just stay in this door. This door is where you will find the weapon. If you follow this, that's where the mission goes, but this is where the weapon will be. Open this. Bada bing, bada boom. Go in. I don't know if there was really a tick in here because I don't know if there was a tick. Yeah, I think there was a tick. No, inside the and then the machine gun will be just right here. Sorry. Yeah, the machine gun will be right over here. The machine gun will be right over here, sitting. I took it because I love this gun. Yeah, that's all of it. I'm gonna finish the video. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'll see you in probably a month. I don't know. This video could get high people because no one knows how to get this weapon. Yeah, it's done. The video's done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Not today. I don't know. Okay, goodbye. I'm just gonna end the. Stop. And just stop and save. Also, the day this will be released, I'll be live streaming on YouTube. So, yeah, don't worry.